Hi there, guys. Chet here. Today we're comparing Brevo and ConvertKit, two platforms that a lot of creators and small businesses rely on heavily for email marketing. I'll walk you through their features, how they feel to use, their automation tools, integrations, and pricing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow and long-term goals. But before we start, if you want to try Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 90 days using the link we put down below. And you'll get access to my complete Brevo course, and I'll show you in this course how to use the entire platform step by step. So, without further ado, let's jump in. Let's talk about what these platforms are built for. Brevo is a full-scale marketing suite. You get email, SMS, WhatsApp, CRM, automation, chat, even transactional emails, and it's all in one place. It's flexible, and it works well for businesses that want everything inside of a single dashboard. ConvertKit is created with one audience in mind, which is creators. If you are a YouTuber, writer, coach, musician, or really anyone who builds an audience through content, ConvertKit is designed specifically for you. Its focus is email list growth, simple automations, and clean tools that help you connect with your audience without getting overwhelmed. So let's look at the features. Brevo comes with a drag and drop email builder, advanced segmentation, multi-channel automations, SMS and WhatsApp campaigns, and a built-in CRM. And there's also a live chat widget. It works across many different channels, not just email. And then ConvertKit is more focused on creators, so its features revolve around email sequences, opt-in forms, unlimited landing pages, tagging, and visual automation flows that are easy to build. ConvertKit also has tools for creators to monetize their audience through recommendations and digital products. Now, this is something that Brevo actually doesn't focus on. So let's talk about the user experience. Brevo's dashboard is clean and modern, but because there are so many tools in one place, it can feel a bit like a business platform rather than a creator tool. It may take a little time to explore everything, especially if you plan to use SMS, WhatsApp, or the CRM. Now, ConvertKit, on the other hand, is extremely simple. Everything from building an email to creating an automation feels quick and easy. This is one of the biggest reasons that creators choose it. You can learn it fast and nothing feels overly complicated. Let's talk about integrations. Brevo connects with Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, Zapier, HubSpot, Stripe, and a long list of CRM and e-commerce platforms. ConvertKit integrates with tools that creators use more often, like Teachtable, Gumroad, Shopify, Thrivecart, WordPress, and Zapier. So both platforms really have strong integrations, but Brevo leans toward business software, while ConvertKit leans toward creator and digital product tools. Let's talk about pricing for a brief moment. Brevo starts with the starter plan at $9 a month. Standard is $18 per month, and professional jumps up to $499 per month. And then there's an enterprise plan with custom pricing. ConvertKit has a free newsletter plan, then the creator plan at $39 a month, and the creator pro plan at $79 per month. So, which one is for you? If you want a powerful and affordable platform that covers email, SMS, WhatsApp, CRM, automations, and a ton more, Brevo is the better choice. It's perfect for small to mid-sized businesses that want multi-channel communication instead of just email rather. But if you're a creator, a coach, or someone who wants a simple tool built specifically for audience building, ConvertKit will feel much more natural. It's clean, easy to use, and designed for engagement. If you want to get started with Brevo, use the link below and you'll get 50% off of your first 3 months on the starter and business plans, and it will unlock a full Brevo course that walks you hand by hand through the platform. All right, that wraps up today's comparison. If this helped you out even a little bit, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.